Hey cuties! So today I'm going to be doing a favorites video, a June favorites video. It's a little late, but that's okay. I burp every single time I start a video. And then I don't burp throughout the whole video. Well, maybe sometimes I do. But it's like as soon as I'm like, hey! It comes out. I have new hair. I got my hair lightened a bit. Do you guys like it? I know a lot of you guys prefer my darker hair, but it is still healthy. I really want to go back to like all blonde, but I'm doing it slowly in like highlights, low lights, just to be able to keep it healthy. But let me know what you guys think of it. And let's just get into these favorites because I have a lot of them. The first one is my self-tan. I love this stuff. So I used self-tan like a really long time ago and I was splotchy. It was a mess. I ruined my mom's towels. I lived at my parents' house at the time. It was just like, it wasn't good. Like it just wasn't good. So, because I wanted to avoid that, avoid the splotch and everything like that, and like getting onto your clothes and all that nasty stuff, this is what I was recommended from a very dear friend of mine. Love, bestie vibes. Was this Jergens Natural Glow Instant Sun Ultra Deep Bronze Sunless Tanning Mousse. This is so good, like if you have no time to like go to a spray tan or, okay, honestly, like even if you're gonna go on a boat the day before or like a beach day, if you put this on before, people will be like, you're so tanned. Isn't the point of going to the beach to get a tan, girl? Like we're confused. It's whatever you want. So it comes out as a mousse, which I really like. It isn't that liquidy and it's like slimy. So I use a mitt and then I just put it on there and then all I do is go like this. I have a little bit of it on it right now. It's been about, actually no, it's been about a week, so it's probably all gone. Like if I can't get to the tanning bed or I'm not out in the sun, this is just so good because it's like instant sun. So if you guys are looking for a good one, this Jergens ones, and it's drugstore and it's really affordable and I highly suggest it, and it lasts. It doesn't stay plotchy. It plops on your skin, girl. Highly recommend. My next favorite of the month is this Got to Be Glued Spiking Gel. I did a video on this, on how I've been getting these brows. If it'll focus, these brows right here. I'll leave that tutorial down below if you guys want to see how I use this gel to get them like this. I'll just leave that link down below. But honestly, my brow game has changed dramatically in the past month and this has to thank for it. It's so cool because it was just on a whim. Like I was like, I think I'm gonna grab this, and I saw like one person using this specific brand. So I was like, I'm just gonna trust them. And so glad I did. Yeah, it just looks like this consistency. And it holds on my brows all day. I had it overnight once for I'll take off my makeup. They were still on. They were still like, ha! Yes, it has vocal cords. Yes, they can talk. Get off the Got to Be. He's his own thing. Okay, my favorite body wash. I'm repurchasing this. Honestly, I just have so many body washes. I just grab one whenever I'm low. But this one is one I'm going to be repurchasing. I love this stuff. This is 1,000 Wishes by Bath & Body Works. So Sushi's trying to get under the blanket right there. So all these stuffed animals are probably going to come to a sad end and fall over. But you know what? That's what he does, is he goes under all the covers and has a nice nap. Packaging is also so cute. It reminds me of like mystical fairy tale. And imagine having 1,000 wishes. Imagine them all coming true. All of them. I would love that. I wish I could film in peace would be probably my first wish, right? But you're just the cutest, so like how, when I'm, oh, show me your butthole. My second wish, this is described as pink Prosecco, crystal peonies, right? Imagine if somebody peed on your knees, and gilded amber. It smells mystical. It just smells like mystical, like Cindy Locks. Who? I was gonna say Goldilocks and Cinderella. So Cindy Locks comes down from her castle and she's like, bathe me. And then this is what they bathe her in, honestly. Okay, we have some lip products that I've been loving. The first one is this Barbie by ColourPop in, what are you called? Golden Beach. And it is what I'm wearing all over my lips. I line my lips, I overline them a little slightly, and then plop this baby all in the middle. Looks like that. I love that sound, don't you? Wait, shh, shh, shh. Quiet in the peanut gallery. Right. I have no idea why I'm trying to get this to focus on the color because the color's on my lips. Looks like that. And then it pairs so nicely with golden If you didn't know, ColourPop made this one called Golden Beach, and you know, they're so smart. Like, they were so smart. I don't know how they did it. They made a lipstick called Golden Beach, and they just made it match. Like, they just made it match. It's so crazy. Like, this is a lip liner, and this is a lipstick, and they just made it match. Like, look at this. Anyway. Sometimes I believe myself that I'm being dumb. Here is the lipstick. All I did with this is I just patted it on ever so slightly like this. I don't know why, because the lip liner would have done it justice too, but just both of these I've been loving a lot this month. They are beautiful, love them. Chef's kiss. Okay, and the very last lip product I've been loving so much. Oh no, it was been sitting on the bed. That's pretty much how, if it settles, it might settle like a little bit up to here, but I've used so much of this. This is, I don't know if they make this anymore. I bought this so long ago, but it's so good. It is number 40 Starshine in 3D Glitzy. Honestly, I love this stuff. It is Glitzy Glamour Gloss, and it just makes your lips so sparkly. I've used this all the time on the vlog channel, and like, it just is so, so good. I know like matte lips are in and whatever you think's in, whatever you like, do. I like glitzy, I like glamour, I'm PiinkSparkles. I want PiinkSparkles on my lips. Okay, this one you guys might be like, what are you doing? But I love this shit, okay? I hate cleaning. I hate cleaning. I don't mind doing dishes. I like doing laundry. I don't like putting away laundry, but I like doing laundry. You know, like towels and sheets and bed sheets and stuff like that. I don't mind doing. I'll clean poop. I'll clean toilets. I don't mind doing that. But like scrubbing counters, washing floors, like why? Well, I know why, I'm not idioso, but this is everything. This is bath, stainless steel, kitchen, 3 times the cleaning power. Are you squeezing me? No? Okay, well don't then. This stuff is so good. I love it so much. Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's not the Magic Eraser, but this is called Clean Freak. I thought I was out of it. I was about to cry. It's fun to use and it smells so good. This lemon fresh. So if I like just, you know, like raw chicken, let's say I'm doing on my counter, like obviously on a cutting board. After I'm done, I spray, wash, smells so good. I have one of these in each of the room because I personally think it's gross to like clean the kitchen and then go into the bathroom with this and clean like the I don't know why. Does that gross anyone else out? I feel like I need to have one of these in different areas. Like, I'm not gonna bring what's under the sink even though it's not dirty under there, but like in the bathroom, like near the toilets, in the toilet bowl cleaner, and like where people throw up, and you know, stuff like that and shit. And then I'm gonna be like in my beautiful kitchen and on my fridge, all around the sink. Lovely smelly dog poop. Like, what is happening? I've shown this 100 times and I don't care. This is my favorite stuff. This is my favorite stuff. I'm gonna keep buying it. Please recommend me something that's not as expensive. But people are like, your skin's glowing. How don't you have any zits? Where are your breakouts? Where are your blackouts? So like, I can't stop using this. This is the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream, and I got this at, somebody's at my house. Who's that? Oh, it's my dad. Oh, it's funny actually. Anyway, this comes with its own spoon. It's super bouge. It is expensive. Like, honestly, this is like $100. Like, that's why I'm like, I don't want to spend $100, but it literally works. But look at this. I am almost done it. Like, I'm literally scraping the bottom of the barrel. This is how much I love this so much. And I think it smells like Fruity Pebbles or Fruit Loops or something like that. Somebody told me what it smelled like. I forget who it is, but you know where you are, girl. Like, you told me what it's, you're like, it doesn't smell like that. It smells like this. Girl, I smell freaking Fruity Pebbles. I was like, oh no, I got it on my lip. It smells like Fruity Pebbles to me. I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22. No, I'm not. Hey, when I wear this, I am. I'm on a mood right now. Okay, one more thing and then something that I've been hating for the month, okay? Because I used to do that. I used to do like products I love and then products something I hate, and then I just got all like woo-saw and like, you know, there's still products I hate. So I like this. I went and took a little spa vacation by myself, loner, but honestly, it was so worth it. It was really nice to just get away by myself. I love myself. I can just sit there and talk to myself. I can listen to my own music. I don't have to worry about anything. I have no responsibilities. I can just chill. I have my fam watching my animals for me. You know, I don't have any worries. But there was like a little, I don't know if you guys saw the vlog, but there was a jacuzzi in my room. I'll leave it link down below. There's a jacuzzi in my room and they left this in there. And I was like, what is that? And it is bergamot bath salts. It smells like something I've never smelled before. Literally. I feel like it's like toad blood or something. Because I've never smelled toad blood and I've never smelled this. So it's probably toad blood. Just kidding. It's, oh my god. It smells like freshly picked flowers mixed with like witchcraft. What am I? And whoever Judith Jackson is, she's getting her coin because she's putting all these into all these rooms and everything, and this just smells so good. And the salts are so fine that I find like, I brought it home and used it in my own bathtub too, that it doesn't like get crunchy. Do you know what I mean? Like when you sit down in your bathtub, you sit down and then it like gets, you can like feel it crunching under your ass, and it's like, and you're like, wow, that's fun. Like Rice Krispie soup, like I feel like I'm sitting in Rice Krispie soup or cereal. It's not soup. Anyway, okay, and then the thing that I've been hating the worst, and it's so depressing, and it's a present I got from my friends. Haters are gonna go crazy. What is this, Dairy Queen? What is this? These new and improved dilly bars? What is this? Please talk to me. Talk to me. The packaging, you made it plastic in 2021. It was paper before. You made it plastic now. Now, also, the ice cream tastes nothing like Dilly Bar at all. The chocolate tastes nothing like Dilly Bar at all. What is this? So if you wanted to make a new thing, okay, call it the Willy Bar. The Chili Bar, you could have called it. The Cold Cream Chill Bar. The Dilly Bar 2. Dilly Bar 2.0. Dilly Bar Cousin, the cousin of Dilly Bar. Me. Honestly, that is the worst. It's really sad because literally my best friend had these delivered to my house when I was feeling like crap. Like I felt like I was having a bad day, and she knew that I was hungover and drunk. So she's like, ice cream. Where's the swirl? And people might be like, at the top. No. It's not. It's depressing is what it is. And I'm gonna go give them away to people. So I don't want anyone coming at me saying like, oh, you're giving your presents, friends away to people. You know what? My friend's a real ass bitch, and she knows. If I tell her like what the hell happened at the deli bar, she's gonna be like, give them away, sis. So that's what I'm gonna go do. And it's hot outside right now, so that's what I'm gonna go do. Anyway, I'm not being like, oh my god, I'm a good Samaritan, like love me or anything like that, but if you don't like something, you have no use for it, give it to someone else, even if it's a shirt. Anyway, those were my favorites of the month and the thing that I didn't like the month. So if you guys like this, where I show something I actually didn't like of the month, I usually share like my favorite song and my favorite movie. My favorite movie of the month was without a doubt, hands down, Run. You need to watch it. If you like psychological thrillers, it's like one of the best psychological thriller horror movies I've ever seen in my life. It was the best. It was the best ever, and I loved it. The worst movie of the month that I saw was Conjuring 3. Actually, that was this month. I can't really say that. But anyway, still was. And my favorite song would be So Done by The Kid Laroi. And I hope you guys all have a great day and stay safe. Have a good summer. Continue Hot Girl Summer. And I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye!